Hello guys, today on Kids Dream Toys we got Mickey Mouse Clubhouse from Disney, No Place Like Earth. Come read with us. Hi everybody, welcome to the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Earth Day party. Professor Von Drake is our speaker for the day. There he is. Today we celebrate the place we call home, the planet Earth. Oh, excuse me, what do you have there, Mr. Toodles, says Professor Von Drake. What does Toodles have for the professor? Do you know? Yep, it's a globe. Aha! A globe is a map shaped like the Earth. The perfect mouse key tool for my talk. Thank you, Mr. Toodles, says the professor. The professor looks serious. He says, Earth needs our help. It's getting filled up with garbage. We must stop making so much garbage. I know what you mean, calls Minnie. Minnie says, when I have a picnic, I don't use paper plates. I use real plates, and then I wash them and dry them so I can use them again. Right, says Daisy. I never use paper napkins. I use pretty cloth ones that I can use over and over again. Gosh, says Goofy, I just licked my fingers. Well, I guess that works too, Goofy. Yes, says the professor. Those are all good ways to cut back on trash. As I was saying, now Clarabelle jumps in. I don't use plastic or paper grocery bags. In my store, customers use canvas bags. Aren't they cute? Oh, those are darling. Thank you, Miss Clarabelle, says the professor. Another way to make less trash is to share things. For example, toys, yells Donald. I always share my toys. Right, says Pete. Donald lets me play with his lion sometimes, and I let him play with my Clyde, my monkey. Lottie, do you share your toys? Lottie shares her toys too. Very good, says the professor. Sharing is an excellent way to reuse things. There are other ways to use things more than once, such as, Oh, I know, it's Pete. He leaps on stage. Where's my socks? Get old, I don't throw them away. I make them as puppets, see? Ooh, those are stinky. Oh, sorry, says Pete. I guess I shall wash the socks first, huh? Goofy splashes water on poor Professor Von Drake. Good job, Goofy. Ah, water, says the professor. The Earth is running out of clean water. What I was going to say next was, we need to save water, shouts Goofy. I do that by taking shorter showers. I use a timer, and the bell rings after 3 minutes to let me know I'm done. Good job, Goofy. We have to save water. I save water when I brush my teeth. First I wet the toothbrush, then I turn off the water while I brush. Woof, barks Pluto. Right, boy. Pluto and Butch save water as they take a bath together. Minnie giggles. And Virgil saves water by not taking any baths or showers. She doesn't like it. Professor Von Drake sighs. The Earth is also running out of fuels to make electricity. What I want to say about that is, here comes Toodles again. What mouse key tool does Toodles have? That's right, a light switch. Very good, Mr. Toodles. As I was saying, turn out the lights, shouts Goofy. That saves electricity. I used to turn off the lights all the time. Now I know you should turn them out when you leave the room, not when you come in. Heck. Professor Von Drake says, our Earth is also running out of fuel that runs our cars. So what I must tell you is, carpool, says Minnie. Ride a bike, says Daisy. Or a skateboard, says Goofy. I always say there's nothing like using your own 2 feet, or in Pluto's case, your own 4 feet. Hot dog! You sure taught us a lot, Professor. Thanks. Professor Von Drake says, you taught me something too. Earth Day is Earth Day at the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You betcha. Happy Earth Day, everyone. Always remember to take care of our Earth and use resources accordingly. This is Kids Dream Toys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos.